What's going on, people? I'm back. LRT content. I'm at Tunney's Pasture, May 18th. I know it's been a hot minute. I got another video that's gonna pop up that I did sometimes early March or late February of the Moody stuff, but here we go. I'm gonna start here and we're gonna end her up. We're gonna make a bunch of videos and then I'm gonna try and restart popping out content. It's been a little bit hard, but here we go. All right, thanks a lot for watching. All right, looking at Tunney's Pasture. This is what they've been up to. Some good progress down this way. All the way to that way. We're gonna set the drone up and get some footage too. All right, let's do it. Looking at Tunney's Pasture at Scott Street, Northwestern Street. This is what's going on. And on the other side here, we're gonna do a quick, oh, there you go. Look at that JCB. We're doing a foundation, it looks like. Tweak my front brace. And this is, there's some steps there, emergency exit, I believe. There's some rail in the background. There you go. Scott Street, Island Park. The rails have arrived. Still only one side. Off to the other side. And this is looking towards Westboro and Island Park.